Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet with some color. Blue color, green color, red color, brown color, yellow color, light green color. First, brown color. Brown color, A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cake. D. D for dolphin. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Z. Z for grapes. Yellow color. Yellow color, H. H for horse. I. I for igloo. Z. Z for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lamp. M. M for monkey. N. N for necklace. Light green color. Light green color, O. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rain. S. S for strawberry. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Blue color. Blue color, V. V for vase. W. W for window. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zero. Brown color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.